what are you doing on the weekend?
I don't know. Maybe.
I guess just like.
Maybe chill, watch a film?
I have an idea. Why can't we have fun and stay at home? Let me tell you how to do it. First of all, invite your flatmates and tell them your idea. Let's go. We're gonna have some fun at home, okay?
Maybe we can use this?
Yeah, that would be fantastic.
Somewhere, I think. Outside, maybe?
Where? Outside?
And this?
Yay!
Nice.
High-tech 10. Yeah! Oh, there you go.
Hey, look at the camera. To project something, the movie over there.
Yeah? Nice. Shall we set it up?
The most important thing is that you need a movie and a perfect projector. You can easily connect the projector to your phone or to other digital devices or play any streaming videos or something.
It's like, oops, time to get my donuts.
Yeah, go on.
I also had a wonderful movie night. Can't wait till next time.